Hey, what's up, everybody? Music Therapy Laz here, doing a short video for you in horizontal form. Now, I do understand I can start doing more of these kinds of videos, horizontal and vertical, so we'll see how that goes in the future, but I promised more shorts for you guys, and this one is going to be checking out my brother Andy's very cool BC Rich guitar from the late 80s when he bought this. That was the time of, the gunslingers and all these kinds of Kramer Charvels and other hot-rodded Fender style body guitars like the Super Strats. I had one. I had an 87. It was a really cool SR71 Gibson Wayne Robert Charvel WRC on the little truss rod cover there. That was a Super Strat and a half. That thing had independent switches for every pickup, including the humbucker. You can do all kinds of really cool, shaping of sounds with that thing. I had an unusual Kahler Spider Bridge, which wasn't too bad for back then, But now, what we did with this is we replaced the really bad kind of bar and trem and whatever was on there. This was not an expensive version of the BC Rich back in the day. It was probably their lowest tier. But our friend Ron, with my help of buying product and whatnot, did a number on this, including getting a gig bag or giving him a gift bag as part of the deal. I also have a Christmas present of sorts for him. This Marsha strap. If you know the joke, heavy metal dudes like my brother Andy is a thrash metal dude. They like Marshalls, but sometimes it's funny just to make fun of it, and they would do the Marsha, taking the L's off of all the emblems or the moniker right off of the amps and the head and the cabinet. So I'm going to hook this puppy on there because this is part of his Christmas present. And I bought him the Floyd that went onto this thing. Ron threw in the nut and the bar. I think the bar is going to be in here. Yep, there it is. And this is a Floyd 1000 bridge, a much higher quality bridge in comparison to what he had on there before. Now, this is a new view for you guys because I've got my phone in a very interesting contraption hanging off of the ledge of my otherwise mostly Funko Pops up there, but there's other stuff up there too. Randy Rhoads bottle of wine from DR Genzia Winery. Let's see, I think I might have to adjust this. Yeah, this might be a little too high for me here. Go down a little bit. There you go. There we go. So when it came to me almost perfectly in tune. I mean, we can plug in a tuner or put a tuner on there, but look at that 1000 Floyd bridge there. And he did a real nice job of polishing it up. I already got it smudged. Andy's old stickers from back in the day. Right? And he didn't play this thing for the longest time. It just hung on the wall. But I also have that Terminator style kind of skull on there that I got him for Christmas. So I've got some different lighting in here. It's not perfect. I could get like the above lighting, but I thought it was too bright. Let me show you. Is that too bright? Or should we stay with that? Because it's like lighting up my face like crazy. But if I'm back here, it might be okay, right? So we'll leave it on for now. But I'm going to go ahead and plug into the diesel here. Now, this thing is a really cool little amp. Got it for 99 bucks, as some of you also did, along with the Friedman BE, the Brown Eye Mini. And these are made by Blue Amp Distribution. So if you follow Dave Friedman or any of the Synergy stuff, it's also made by them. And some of the same technology is in here, right? So let's check these out. They originally were listing for $299, then they were being sold for $249. I had it a little bit gained up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and there's a couple extra switches. There's an extra switch right here. We'll see what that does. It probably splits the, I think it splits that humbucker there. And I think that was an add-on by Ron. In other words, there was a knob here, but he switched it for that switch. And we got the tone knob skull down here, and we got 5 positions. He also replaced the humbucker and the bridge. It's a Duncan designed humbucker there, as well as the 2 pickups up here. He's got the middle pickup way down low, I guess just because maybe it's a little too hot. And let's check this thing out. All right, so let's take down some of that gain, baby. We'll go to 12 o'clock on everything here. See what that looks like. Even though Mick from That Pedal Show says everything at 2 o'clock is where it should be perfect. And we've got the master control. There we go. All right, it might be a little loud. Let me grab a pick. I'm gonna go down a little bit here. I mean, that's pretty close to tune, right? Tell me if that's loud enough. Well, of course, we're not live. I'm doing a video, so you can't tell me. That was the 1 out of 2 note. I should have tuned before, but I wanted to demonstrate how close to tune this was coming from Shadyside, Ohio. Really far, far away place where there's a lot of snow right now. Right, neck position. I don't know, man. It sounds pretty good to me. Gain. I'm going to turn down the volume a bit. in case you're wondering, I'm plugged into that orange 2x12 vintage Celestions out of a 30-watt mini all solid state little thing, right? Nice. All right. A little washed out on the video here. I'll get lighting fixed for in here when I'm going to do this angle and do some short videos for you. But that's a little longer than a normal short. But it's a short video for me. See you guys tomorrow for the 10th day of Rockmas. Let me stand back here. 10th day of Rockmas with Andy. Check it out, man. It's got some nice tuners on there. Some nice Jackson tuners. Very cool guitar. Back from the dead, back from the grave, back from not being played for decades, right? Now it's ready. It's rocking, dude. All right, until next time, you guys, Music Therapy Laz. Telling you, check out tomorrow's 10th day of the 12 days of Rockmas, where I'm giving away stuff. Not these, but strings, right? Got some guitar hangers. Got some slash Skeletor ones. There's one more of these left. Got some of these Peruvian Chios like the one I'm wearing right now. There you go. Got those in Peru, handmade. Check out the show tomorrow at 11 o'clock a.m. Pacific, 2 o'clock in the Eastern Time Zone. I'll be posting this up right now. Leave a comment if you don't mind afterwards. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and definitely share the channel so I can grow this thing. We're trying to hit 1,000. I'll be giving away a guitar, maybe something like this. Who knows? Ron's going to help me with that thing. So until next time, guys, Music Therapy Laz, rocking out.